Hi guys, I had a question a little while back. Why do I do these wooden kits and not the plastic kits? And the answer is really time. I mean, I can knock these ones off in half an hour, maybe an hour, maybe a little bit longer for the bigger ones. Whereas something like this, if you're going to do it properly, you can tell I've had these for a long time. Thick dust on them. Yeah, if you can do it properly, then you're going to take care over building it, and you're going to paint it up nicely so it looks like a real model. And although I might get round to them at some time or other, that one cost me £1.49, 16th of May 2017, so that's been in my stock a long time. Yeah, I think if you're going to build one of these, you really need to spend some time on it and do it nicely. Same with one of them. Has that got a price on it? Can't see the price. Another charity shop find. I could just put it together, glue it together, leave it all the basic colour, but that would seem to be a shame. So what I'm saying is I've got them and I might do them. I used to do them when I was a kid, but I just think you ought to spend time on it. You need a good selection of paints, you know, those nice little metal paint pots that we used to get. That's one that somebody started, isn't it? That one's even got the paint in it. Wonder if they're any good. Tamiya acrylic paint. Looks like they've had a half-hearted attempt at it. It's even got glue. Model Zone, £5.50. Wonder if it's any good. Yeah, so I might get round to having a go at these sometime. Whether that one's got all the bits in it or not, we'll find out if we ever get round to doing it. But yeah, I do have some plastic kits, but I just think they'll take too long. Having said that, something like that one, no glue required, cost me £1.49, 2021. So that's only about a year old. What are we in? 22, yeah. In fact, this one I remember when I got it from the charity shop, when we opened the box, it was actually already assembled. So I took it apart, so that if one of my grandsons felt like putting it together, he could have the fun of doing it from scratch. I suppose I could do that one. That one shouldn't take very long. It's probably not in the spirit of the question. The question was, you know, doing one of, I'm pretty sure it meant one of them. I mean, there's other plastic kits I do. These ones only take about 15-20 minutes to put together. They are plastic, but again, I don't think that's the spirit. I think the spirit of the question was that sort of kit. And I've got some, but I've got no intention of doing them in the near future. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.